the news, all the news that's new and approved by the U.S. Army, the sweetest smelling army in the world.
I've been walking these streets so long, singing the same old song. I know every crack in these dirty sidewalks of Broadway, where hustle's the name of the game, and nice guys get washed away like the snow and the rain. There's been a load of compromising on the road to my horizon, but I'm gonna be where the lights are shining on me like a rhinestone.
Now, here's the weather. We're gonna go right to Roosevelt E. Roosevelt. Roosevelt, how's it going? Adrian, I'm with somebody. Don't ever come here and bother me right now.
Chicks dig me because I rarely wear underwear, and when I do, it's usually something unusual.
Mr. Honey!
Oh, you're going straight to hell for that one.
I told you that we were supposed to have something booked for this weekend, but I changed my